Where is the headquarters of the United Nations, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. New York, USA. C. Vienna, Austria. D. Paris, France. Answer: B. New York, USA. Explanation: the United Nations headquarters is in New York City, USA, and serves as the main center for international cooperation and diplomacy. Where is the headquarters of the World Bank located? A. London, UK. B. Washington, D.C., USA. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. Brussels, Belgium. Answer: B. Washington, D.C., USA. Explanation: the World Bank, which provides financial aid to developing countries, is based in Washington, D.C. Where is the headquarters of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, located? A. New York, USA. B. Washington, D.C., USA. C. Paris, France. D. Vienna, Austria. Answer: B. Washington, D.C., USA. Explanation: the IMF, which ensures financial stability worldwide, is headquartered in Washington, D.C. Where is the headquarters of the World Health Organization, WHO, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Rome, Italy. C. Paris, France. D. Brussels, Belgium. Answer: A. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: WHO, responsible for global public health, has its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Where is the headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Rome, Italy. C. London, UK. D. Berlin, Germany. Answer: B. Rome, Italy. Explanation: the FAO, which works on food security and agriculture, is based in Rome, Italy. Where is the headquarters of the International Labour Organization, ILO, located? A. Washington, D.C., USA. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. New York, USA. D. Brussels, Belgium. Answer: B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: the ILO, which deals with labor issues, has its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, located? A. Vienna, Austria. B. Paris, France. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. Rome, Italy. Answer: B. Paris, France. Explanation: UNESCO, which promotes education, science, and culture, is headquartered in Paris. Where is the headquarters of the World Trade Organization, WTO, located? A. New York, USA. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. Brussels, Belgium. D. London, UK. Answer: B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: the WTO, which regulates international trade, has its headquarters in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, located? A. New York, USA. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. Vienna, Austria. D. Paris, France. Answer: C. Vienna, Austria. Explanation: the EIA, which promotes peaceful nuclear energy, is headquartered in Vienna. Where is the headquarters of Interpol, International Criminal Police Organization, located? A. Washington, D.C., USA. B. Lyon, France. C. London, UK. D. Brussels, Belgium. Answer: B. Lyon, France. Explanation: Interpol, which coordinates global police efforts, is based in Lyon, France. Where is the headquarters of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, located? A. New Delhi, India. B. Kathmandu, Nepal. C. Dhaka, Bangladesh. D. Colombo, Sri Lanka. Answer: B. Kathmandu, Nepal. Explanation: SAARC, which promotes regional cooperation among South Asian countries, is headquartered in Kathmandu. Where is the headquarters of the Asian Development Bank, ADB, located? A. Bangkok, Thailand. B. Manila, Philippines. C. New Delhi, India. D. Jakarta, Indonesia. Answer B. Manila, Philippines. Explanation: the ADB, which provides economic development assistance, is based in Manila. Where is the headquarters of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, located? A. Vienna, Austria. B. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. C. Dubai, UAE. D. London, UK. Answer A. Vienna, Austria. Explanation: OPEC, which regulates petroleum policies, is headquartered in Vienna. Where is the headquarters of the European Union, EU, located? A. Berlin, Germany. B. Brussels, Belgium. C. Paris, France. D. Madrid, Spain. Answer B. Brussels, Belgium. Explanation: the EU, which governs European policies, is based in Brussels. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice, ICJ, located? A. The Hague, Netherlands. B. New York, USA. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. London, UK. Answer A. The Hague, Netherlands. Explanation: the ICJ, which settles international disputes, is headquartered in The Hague. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. New York, USA. C. Rome, Italy. D. Vienna, Austria. Answer B. New York, USA. Explanation: UNICEF, which focuses on child welfare and development, is headquartered in New York. Where is the headquarters of the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Montreal, Canada. C. London, UK. D. New York, USA. Answer B. Montreal, Canada. Explanation: ICAO, which regulates international civil aviation, is based in Montreal. Where is the headquarters of the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, located? A. Vienna, Austria. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. Paris, France. D. New York, USA. Answer B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: the ITU, which manages global telecommunications, is headquartered in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. Brussels, Belgium. C. Paris, France. D. New York, USA. Answer A. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: WMO, which deals with climate and weather information, is based in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Human Rights Council, UNHRC, located? A. London, UK. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. New York, USA. D. Paris, France. Answer B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: UNHRC, which addresses global human rights issues, is based in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee, IOC, located? A. Lausanne, Switzerland. B. Paris, France. C. London, UK. D. Geneva, Switzerland. Answer A. Lausanne, Switzerland. Explanation: the IOC, which governs the Olympic Games, is headquartered in Lausanne. Where is the headquarters of the International Red Cross Society located? A. Paris, France. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. New York, USA. D. London, UK. Answer B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: the Red Cross, which provides humanitarian aid, is based in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the International Maritime Organization, IMO, located? A. Brussels, Belgium. B. London, UK. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. New York, USA. Answer B. London, UK. Explanation: the IMO, which regulates maritime safety and security, is headquartered in London. Where is the headquarters of the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, located? A. Paris, France. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. Washington, D.C., USA. D. Vienna, Austria. Answer. B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: WIPO, which manages international intellectual property rights, is based in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, located? A. Vienna, Austria. B. New York, USA. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. Rome, Italy. Answer. A. Vienna, Austria. Explanation: UNIDO, which promotes industrial development, is headquartered in Vienna. Where is the headquarters of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, located? A. Bangkok, Thailand. B. Jakarta, Indonesia. C. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. D. Manila, Philippines. Answer. B. Jakarta, Indonesia. Explanation: ASEAN, which promotes regional cooperation in Southeast Asia, is based in Jakarta. Where is the headquarters of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, located? A. Washington, D.C., USA. B. Brussels, Belgium. C. London, UK. D. Geneva, Switzerland. Answer. B. Brussels, Belgium. Explanation: NATO, which is a military alliance of various countries, is headquartered in Brussels. Where is the headquarters of the Commonwealth of Nations located? A. London, UK. B. New Delhi, India. C. Sydney, Australia. D. Ottawa, Canada. Answer. A. London, UK. Explanation: the Commonwealth, which consists of former British colonies, is based in London. Where is the headquarters of the International Finance Corporation, IFC, located? A. Washington, D.C., USA. B. Paris, France. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. Vienna, Austria. Answer. A. Washington, D.C., USA. Explanation: IFC, a part of the World Bank Group, provides financial support to businesses. Where is the headquarters of the International Basketball Federation, FIBA, located? A. Lausanne, Switzerland. B. Munich, Germany. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. Mies, Switzerland. Answer. D. Mies, Switzerland. Explanation: FIBA, which governs international basketball, is headquartered in Mies, Switzerland. Where is the headquarters of the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, located? A. Basel, Switzerland. B. Washington, D.C., USA. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. London, UK. Answer. A. Basel, Switzerland. Explanation: BIS, which serves central banks globally, is based in Basel. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, located? A. Paris, France. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. New York, USA. D. Vienna, Austria. Answer. B. Geneva, Switzerland. Explanation: UNCTAD, which focuses on global trade and development, is based in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, located? A. Paris, France. B. Washington, D.C., USA. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. London, UK. Answer. A. Paris, France. Explanation: OECD, which works on economic policies, is headquartered in Paris. Where is the headquarters of the Global Environment Facility, GEF, located? A. Washington, D.C., USA. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. Nairobi, Kenya. D. London, UK. Answer. A. Washington, D.C., USA. Explanation: GEF, which funds environmental projects, is based in Washington, D.C. Where is the headquarters of Greenpeace International located? A. Amsterdam, Netherlands. B. London, UK. C. Geneva, Switzerland. D. New York, USA. Answer. A. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Explanation: Greenpeace, which focuses on environmental activism, is based in Amsterdam. Where is the headquarters of the World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, located? A. Madrid, Spain. B. Paris, France. C. Rome, Italy. D. Geneva, Switzerland. Answer A. Madrid, Spain. Explanation: ENTO, which promotes global tourism, is headquartered in Madrid. Where is the headquarters of the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, located? A. Gland, Switzerland. B. New York, USA. C. Paris, France. D. London, UK. Answer A. Gland, Switzerland. Explanation: WWF, which focuses on wildlife conservation, is based in Gland. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, located? A. Nairobi, Kenya. B. Geneva, Switzerland. C. Paris, France. D. New York, USA. Answer A. Nairobi, Kenya. Explanation: UNEP, which works on global environmental issues, is based in Nairobi. Where is the headquarters of the Fédération Internationale de Football Association, FIFA, located? A. Zurich, Switzerland. B. Munich, Germany. C. Paris, France. D. London, UK. Answer A. Zurich, Switzerland. Explanation: FIFA, which governs world football, is based in Zurich. Where is the headquarters of the International Cricket Council, ICC, located? A. Dubai, UAE. B. London, UK. C. Mumbai, India. D. Melbourne, Australia. Answer A. Dubai, UAE. Explanation: ICC, which manages international cricket, is headquartered in Dubai.